Judge rules residents of Minneapolis can sue the city over reduction in number of police Oh, they about to get paid. Is anybody in the chat from Minneapolis? Because you about to get paid. You about to get paid, baby. Oh Lord! A judge has ruled that residents of Minneapolis can sue the city over the reduction in police. The business owners whose property and lives were destroyed in the riots over the summer should line up around the block to file lawsuits against the city. I concur. Who can forget that following the massive crime and lawlessness that gripped the city this summer? The idiotic far left city council started pushing the idea of abolishing the police, the dumbest thing ever. Now, did y'all hear this? Did I do a story on that? Now, the chief of Minneapolis is begging other counties and other cities to loan them their police because he don't have no one to fight crime. And crime has escalated to an unbelievable amount in Minneapolis. All because these dodo heads some abolish the police. Now the criminals are like, yeah, abolish the police, dummies. These people must be held accountable. I agree. Minneapolis residents have standing to sue the city over an alleged police staffing violation. Hennepin County District Court Judge Janine Anderson has ruled. Anderson's order rejected the city of Minneapolis. Oh my God, read what you see, Tree. Attempt to throw out the lawsuit because the city said residents lacked standing to sue. Y'all about to get broke. Anderson said he didn't have enough information yet to decide on the outcome sought by plaintiffs. Still, Anderson cited McKee versus Likens, in which the Minnesota Supreme Court held that taxpayers are legitimately concerned with the performance by public officials of their public duties. Accordingly, a taxpayer suing as a taxpayer has standing to challenge administrative actions, which allegedly is rulemaking adopted without compliance with the statutory notice requirements. 8 Minneapolis residents sued the city council and Mayor Jacob Fry in August, arguing they violated the charter requirements to staff roughly 743 officers from the 425,000 person city. They don't have no 743 officers now. The lawsuit argues that the number of licensed police officers have dropped from 825 at the start of 2020 to 634. Ooh, guys, let me tell you something. When your police staff, no wonder that police officer was begging for other counties to loan police officers. When your city is that understaffed, that means minor calls like, I hear somebody in my backyard, can you send the police? Or I just got in a fender bender, can you send someone to make a accident report? These calls don't get answered. These calls don't get answered. You're going to have to come to the police department and give the clerk there your information, and she can file a report on your behalf. But that's not going to work with car accidents because you're going to need a city official to take pictures and to be there to witness what happened after he or she has taken the testimony from each person. If it happens on public property, if it happened on private property, there's nothing much that can be done. And here's a tweet by Eon Miles Chung. Minneapolis City Council President Lisa Bender led the charge to defund the police. She called needing the police something that comes from a place of privilege. Guess what, girl? You as a privileged white girl gonna be giving some people some monies. Listen. This girl look like she's a trust fund baby. She got the money. Let's look at this tweet. Let's see what this tweet looks like. Let's see what this tweet looks like.
State action against our police department, which gives us legal mechanisms in the very short term. There's lessons from all over the country, all over the world that we're looking to take immediate steps while we work toward building the systems that we would need to imagine that future.
Do you understand that the word dismantle or police-free also makes some people nervous? For instance, what if in the middle of the night my home is broken into? Who do I call?
Yes, I mean, I
Thank you, Bill, for that donation.
Hear that loud and clear from a lot of my neighbors. And I know, and myself too, and I know that comes from a place of privilege, because for those of us for whom the system is working, I think we need to step back and imagine what it would feel like to already live in that reality, where calling the police may mean more harm is done. And so we have a state...
More harm done to the criminal. These people have lost their mind. The people who allowed the city to be destroyed and then tried to abolish the police must be held accountable. They deserve every lawsuit that gets filed. I agree. And by the way, get this chick first. She should be the first one. Okay? Get her first. God have mercy. You see what a Bill said? Bill said, abolish niggas, not the police. By the way, Bill, I'm going to turn this into a video. So congratulations. You're fucking, I need to update some videos to this channel. I'm going to start losing some money from my monetization. I think I got one more. I got one more